I had a pain in my right jaw tooth. So went to my dentist, my general dentist, and they pulled the tooth, but when they pulled the tooth, they saw it was a cyst.
So Ryan had a large and aggressive tumor of the lower jaw that essentially was growing and needed to be taken out. In order to do that successfully, we had to replace the bone. In this case for Ryan, we borrowed it from the lower leg, and we were actually able to take this and actually use it as a transplant in Ryan and to reconstruct the jaw.
I'm a big runner, so I was very nervous about it. The recovery is pretty fast for such a major surgery. And I would say my life after surgery, 6 months, was easily just back to the person I was, doing the things that I do. All my oral surgeons during this process have been, I think, remarkable doctors.